Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and Raycast is my app launcher of choice. It's really good for launching apps, but the thing that really puts it over the top for me are how many extensions there are made for it and how useful I find them as little utilities to make my Mac usage a little better. So today I'm going to go through 10 of them that I find actually useful, and you might as well. So the first one is Raycast Wallpapers. This is actually built in, so I have a nice wallpaper set right now. Link in the description to the wallpaper pack if you want. It's not mine, someone else's, but yeah. But if you type wallpaper, there's the ability to go to the system settings wallpaper, but you can also set a Raycast wallpaper. And this is just a collection of wallpapers they've built into the app, and you can go ahead and set one of them if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and do this guy. I think that looks pretty good. Maybe I want to do this one instead. Yeah, let's go ahead and stick with that one. So they've got a bunch of wallpapers built in, totally free. I should also say I'm using the free version of Raycast. I don't have Raycast Pro. If I go into the settings, you'll see, yeah, I don't have it. So this is everything I'm showing today is available in the free version of the app. Now, the next thing I do are GIFs. I'm a millennial. I share GIFs. I'm sorry. And I have a GIF search. So right here, search for GIFs. It's called GIF Search, and you can just search for whatever you want. OMG. There we go. Here's some GIFs. Let's go ahead and go with this guy. It's going to copy to my clipboard. I can paste it into iMessage, Slack, wherever I'm sending it. That's all really nice. Now, I play video games. I enjoy video games, and I often, because I'm an adult without infinite free time, I do want to know how long a game takes to play so that I can know how much of a time commitment I'm making to it. And so HowLongToBeat is a really great website for this, and HowLongToBeat has an extension. So I can type in how long to beat a game, go into this, and you can just search for whatever you're looking for. In this case, Alan Wake 2 is on my playlist. I've already started it. It's excellent, really highly recommended. But I can see here, okay, 19 hours to beat the main story. I can go into it to see more information on it, more detailed information, and I can also just open it in the web browser if I want to see the full page, really like this. Now, another thing that I do often is I'll download a file and I want to open that file, right? And you can do that often in your browser. Your browser often makes that easy. I have my downloads saved here, so I could click this and then expand and then click on the icon, but there's an even easier way. So if I do open, you can see it's near the top for me. There's a downloads manager. Links to all of these, by the way. I'll put the names and links to all of these in the description so you can find them and install them yourself. I've got them already installed. You can figure out how to install them, so I'm not going to walk through that for each one of these. But downloads manager, open latest download. Hit that, it just opens the last thing I downloaded. Super useful. I use that more often than I ever thought I would. The next one is actually a YouTube downloader. So if you want to download a video, here's a Super GT video. Let's say I want to copy that to the clipboard, and let's go to hit download video. So here we go. It detects there's a video in my clipboard. It already puts it there, puts the title so I know it's the correct one. I can choose the video quality. We're going to do 1080p, of course, and we're going to download the video. It's going to download here, and when it's done, it'll be in my downloads folder. Super easy. I do this through the command line traditionally, but having a way to do it just directly from Raycast makes it easier. So I like that quite a bit. Now, there's also some abilities built into macOS that Raycast, I think this one's built in as well. There's a way to remove backgrounds super easily. So I've got a picture here of me and my dog posing, and let's say I wanted to get rid of the background of this image. Plenty of apps can do that, but if I just want to do it from Raycast, I can do remove background, hit it, done, and there we go. So it opens, it saves the file. I don't know why it's sideways in this case. That doesn't usually happen. But yeah, you can see that here. It's made a nice cutout of the background. It struggles a little bit with his fur sometimes, but if you just need a quick background removal, this is really easy to use. What's next? Brew. So Homebrew. Homebrew is a really cool way to manage and install things on your Mac. And there is an extension for Raycast. So if I type Brew, there's a couple things I can do here. I can look at my outdated items. I can search for things. Let's go to search. Here's all the things I can install through Homebrew. Let's see, what's one? There's Rectangle. I shouldn't typo it. There we go. Rectangle. I actually already have it installed. Let's install Rectangle Pro. I can go into it. Again, this is pretty utilitarian, but if I know this is what I want, install. There we go. And in a couple seconds, it's going to be fully installed. It's just doing all the things you would normally do from the command line with the Brew command. It's just having a nice little interface on top of it. So it's installed. And if I get out of here, Rectangle Pro is there. And yes, I downloaded it from the internet. I want to open it. It's going to ask for permissions. It's going to ask for my key since it's the Pro version of the app. I'm not going to do that here, but you can do that as well. There's also the ability to show your outdated ones. If you just hit enter, it's going to upgrade that specific one. Upgrade already, I can hit Command K to upgrade all here if I want. So again, you can do all this through the command line. If you use Homebrew, you're probably comfortable with the command line, but if you want a UI for it, this is really useful, I think. Now, a couple more. Built into Raycast in one of the last releases is a way to do typing practice. So typing practice, start typing practice. Hit this and you can just type. So there is no hate, only joy. And I'm making errors and it's doing all the things you would expect from a typing tester. And you can use this to test how fast you can type. You can use it for keyboard audio tests if you're a keyboard reviewer like I sometimes am. And you'll just do the whole thing. I'll put a screen share here of me actually doing it well, so you get an idea for how it works, but nice to have it built in to Raycast and not have to go anywhere to do it. So I really dig that one. Two more, I guess, actually. Let's say I wanted to create a QR code. Let's do it for my blog. I'm just gonna hide that. QR, generate QR code from clipboard. Let's do generate QR code, paste in the URL. And now I have a file. I have an image for the QR code that'll take you to that URL. Super simple, not useful every day, but every once in a while, I need to make a QR code, and this is just the easiest, quickest way for me to do that. Finally, last thing, when I want to wrap up a presentation with a little class, Confetti, this is totally built in. You can just put confetti on your screen. Super awesome, super nice, love having this, and that is all 10 of them. So check them out. All of these are free. I'm using the free version of Raycast. It's all in the description, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.